now we're inside the Valencia room. The opening session has just finished, and next to me is Mr. Ron Resch. He's CEO at SEIA, which is the Solar Energy Industries Association. Welcome to Rary PV TV, and thanks for giving us this interview.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be on the show.
Well, we have heard your speech, which was about the state of the industry. Please, could you tell our spectators which is the actual state of the industry?
What we see is the industry growing extremely fast in the United States. Our second quarter numbers that we just released today actually show that the industry grew by well over 100%, 116% quarter on quarter this year versus last year. And in fact, we saw 45% growth over the first quarter's numbers. And as we continue to see growth, we're seeing diversification, growth in residential markets, growth in commercial markets, and growth in utility markets. So overall, we're seeing very strong growth of the industry.
Well, during your speech, we have seen some graphics on the screen with the map of the United States or parts of it burning.
Yeah.
It looked very dramatic.
Yeah.
But does this reflect the reality? Is the reality in the United States so dramatic?
Well, what I wanted to do is to really wake up the industry and show them that we take a lot for granted. We take the policies that we have in place for granted, and we've developed those over the last decade. We need to make sure we manage those. We need to make sure we keep those in place because we do face challenges. We face challenges from the oil industry. We face challenges from the conservative political action committees or the super PACs. We face challenges from utilities as well at the state level. So it was really more of a wake-up call to the industry to realize what we have and how hard we're going to have to fight to keep what we have. It's the same lesson we've learned in Europe over the last couple of years.
Talking about wake-up calls, what are the next steps that must happen in order to ensure this industry a good and prosperous future?
You know, the key piece for the solar industry in the United States is to have access to the electricity marketplace. These are laws that are determined state by state by state. And what that means is you have different laws in different states. Some states like California or New Jersey have great laws on net metering and interconnection. You have other states like Tennessee that don't allow you to net meter. So what we're trying to do is stabilize and unify the state policies so that you as a developer know that you're playing on a similar playing field between each of the states. That's going to be a big focus for our efforts in 2013.
Well, that panel, the Q&A session was not only entertaining, it was also very informative.
Yeah.
What is the outcome from your point of view?
Well, I think what you heard from all of the CEOs was they see the U.S. market as a very stable long-term growth play for the solar industry. They recognize that things have changed in the sense that the customers have changed. They're bigger now. They're investing much more money. They're installing much larger systems. And that overall, the public education on solar has taken place. And that solar is widely accepted as an energy source in this country. So I think my takeaway is a very positive one, that the future is bright for solar energy in the U.S., and it's bright in all different segments of the market, residential, commercial, and utility scale.
Okay, last question. What are your expectations for the SPI 2012?
Well, it's going to be a great week. It always is. This room was absolutely packed to the gills. We have President Clinton coming on Wednesday. We have 2 huge rooms that are overflow rooms. I think this will be one of the best solar power international shows of all time. And it couldn't be in a better place, the Sunshine State, Florida.
Well, thank you very much for this interview. It's Mr. Ron Resch, CEO at SEIA.
Thank you.